Hi guys, today I've got this APEKX wireless music receiver. It's a receiver for when one of your speaker system or audio system doesn't have Bluetooth, so you just use this kind of receivers, or receivers, to use Bluetooth with those systems. Well, this is the receiver. It has a play and pause button and an on and off right here. And here you can use the volume. It comes with its own charging cable, which I'm gonna use right now. It's a Type-C cable, and it has the Type-C port here. Just plug it in. So right now I'm already charging the receiver, so we'll continue. It comes with the user manual. Tells you how you use it, tells you all the things that comes with it. It also has this little jack adapter, so you just plug it in right in the receiver and connect it, or this jack cable so you can connect to even longer distances. I've got here my amp, which obviously doesn't have any Bluetooth system, so I'm gonna use it with it. Connect it like this. I'm gonna just plug it here in the aux in and use it like that directly because I don't need the longer cable. Now I'll connect it via Bluetooth and I'm gonna play some music. It's playing the music. You can use this button up here to pause it, play, turn up the volume, turn it down. I think it's gonna be more useful like in your car with your audio system, because not all the cars have Bluetooth installed, so I think it's gonna work great. So let's go. Okay, so right now I'm in my car. I'm gonna turn on like that, so the radio gets on. We'll search for the aux. We again turn it on. It's ready. We're gonna pair it right now. It's paired, so there it is. It's very helpful when your car doesn't have Bluetooth, so you just plug it in and that's all you really need. It's really nice. I really recommend it. It's a great product. You can use it, almost instantly. You just charge it a bit and you can use it a while. It's really nice, really practical. I like that it comes with this adapter and the option of the longer cable, which are, two options that are really great. So I would really recommend this product.